What if I told you you can take the furniture you already have in your home and turn them into one-of-a-kind pieces for your space? Hi, I'm Christina Muscari of Pretty Distressed, and I have been painting and refinishing furniture for the last 7 years. In this course, I'll teach you all the foundations you need to take outdated furniture and give it a fresh look with furniture paint. I'll provide you instruction with a step-by-step approach. This course is structured to take you from a beginner to envisioning, designing, and creating custom looks for your furniture all on your own. In the course, I will also show you how to flip your furniture makeovers for a profit and how to charge clients for commission pieces, just like I do. I truly believe anyone can use paint and their own creativity to transform furniture into something special. Enroll in this course and let's start making furniture beautiful, one piece at a time.